What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. 10 Cadillac CTS-V. You see it right there? There's the V. Sexy car. Kid show. Anyways, as you guys can see right there, he's got a bunch of stuff done to it. As you can see, long tube headers there and there. Then it's got a full stainless steel 3-inch system all the way back with a built-in X-pipe there, all the way straight, because it needs to breathe. And what we did is did a rear muffler delete there and put some vibrant bottle resonators in their place. Part number 1790. There will be a link in the description for them. There and there. They're supposed to be 1794s, not 1790s. They're 1794s, a 3-inch in, 3-inch out. I don't know why he put that box there, but it's okay. We'll take it out and get you guys the right number in the link. Anyways, there's 4-inch tips on it out the back there and there. He wanted to keep the factory look at the back, as you guys can see there. But there it is, full 3-inch system with high flow cats. And it's a little bit built, he says. He doesn't want to let out all the secrets, which I don't blame him. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe.
All right, guys, we got a 2012 Cadillac CTS-V. Put headers on it, so he brought it to us to reconnect everything. Long tube headers there, high flow converter there, sleeve, long tube header there, all the way out, X-pipe. He's got a rear delete. So we'll let you guys hear it. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe.
His Instagram on both sides, if you guys can't see it. We're gonna add our exhaust sticker to that too. Again, 121 on the sound decibels, guys. That is insane. Again. Perfect. Go ahead and back it up. It's got a light cam in it, just a little bit.
Guys hear it on the inside. 2012 CTS-V, high flow cats, long tube header.